warning for southwestern Brown County, northern Calumet County, Manitowoc County, southeastern Outagamie County, northern Winnebago County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Brillion, or 13 miles southeast of Appleton, and moving east at 60 miles an hour. At 5:20 p.m., quarter-size hail was reported in Menasha with this storm. Locations impacted include Manitowoc, Brillion, Falders, Two Creeks, Collins, Morrison, Reedsville, and Wayside. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, and deadly lightning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Brown,